So as I mentioned, we have some new widgets coming out this summer. It's really cool. And we're planning on this for the beginning part of August. And this is the new Shade Widget. It's based on groups and individual shades and supports feedback. It also supports learnable presets, different directions like, of course, horizontal or vertical control, up and down and left and right. It supports drapery motors and curtains. And we'll be able to use this with Vantage load-based relays and shades, as well as the RTS and ILTS stations and our premier partners at ESI, QMotion, Somfy, Meco, and Lutron. And I think one of the great things about this widget is that it complements scenes and lighting perfectly. I mean, put these together on a 7.3, shades, lighting, and scenes. Wow, it's got great capabilities. In fact, one of the major benefits of this is that the scene widget can now be freed up for other things than shades. You know, the scenes widget has been the de facto placeholder until now for shade control, and now really can be focused on the macros. You'll notice at the top left graphic that the dashboard controls the group. Now that could be a group of 1 shade, it could be a group of 20 shades, individual shades, it doesn't matter. And it's also, for individual shade control, you enter the second level or full screen view. So you'll notice that at those top set of graphics, the left-hand side, we're looking at the dashboard view with its presets and primary up and down control. Then by going into the second level, you can see the 4.1 full screen now gives you discrete individual shade motor control for that particular group. On the 7.3 below it, you can see that we continue to show the group controls at the left, very consistent with whatever, with all of the other widgets that we work with. And on the right 2/3 section, we are showing the individual shade motors that comprise that group, even if it's just a group of 1. You'll notice that the full screen 4.1 is optimized for its size, but still has the same capabilities as the 7.3 and tablet. Now, I really wish I had the time to go through this in detail, but do look for the videos online, as Andrew mentioned, and that Forrest and his team will be working on. Additionally, there'll be documentation for each of the premier partners on how to set it up in Design Center, how to set it up in the widgets, and then also it will be added to the training curriculum so you get a taste of that as you go forward and have you guys come into training.